Hey guys, Bill Davis here with Heinz Realty Group. Hey, just wanted to let you guys know what I'm seeing as far as I created this what I call as a value video, so I could show you what the other houses in this neighborhood that are very good comparables to the one that we looked at, what they're going for, so you could get an idea what this house is going to be valued at. And so here's the property. I just pulled it up. So here's the home that we looked at that you guys are interested in. It's a 3 and 2, 1,145 square foot with a pretty good sized lot, 7,300. And so let me show you guys what the comps, what the houses are going for over here. And I only went out a half a mile, which isn't that far, and I only went back 3 months. And there's a lot of activity going on in this area, which is good, good for buyers, and because there's a lot of inventory that's over there. But things are selling pretty quickly over there, which means there's a lot of buyers as well. So, it just depends on what this property compares to all the other properties, and that's why I wanted to show you guys this. So, as you can see right now, within a half mile, there's 3 properties for sale right now that are exactly like this one. One's going for $495. One's $429,000. That's the one that we're looking at, and then there's one at $399. And so I looked at the one that's $399, and it needs a lot of work. And this one on Thunderbird is actually pretty much remodeled, and it's a really nice home, and it's little bigger. But you can see the different values, and these are actually, it's good for buyers because there's multiple properties that are out there for sale right now, and not just this one on Olivera for sale. So good news for us. And so looking at the properties that are pending, quite a few that are pending. I mean, they're ranging from $498 down to $399. This one for $275, I wouldn't look at that. That one needs a lot of work. And so you can see, I mean, the ranges are right there within the 400s to almost 500s in this neighborhood. And so what I'm thinking is, the houses that are fully fixed up and remodeled and doesn't need anything, they're selling $450-ish and up. And so I think with this property, because it's it's on a main road, it's right across the street from the shopping center right there. I think that's probably about $20,000-$30,000 value difference compared to being tucked in the neighborhood a little more quieter. But as far as this property on Olivera, I just talked to the guy and he said that they still have no offers, which is good news because that gives us room to be able to be aggressive when we write an offer. And so they're asking $429 for it. Let me show you what have sold, and this will give you the exact of what everything is sold for in this area. So you can see they're going all the way up to $520,000 in this neighborhood. And a little larger, you can see that the ones that are $1,235, $1,237, they're getting a little more for the house. But you can see some of these other ones are getting $500. And same size. I mean, I only went from 1,100 square feet to 1,300 square foot because there's that many sold to where it will give us that much value. So an appraiser would actually, if we say that just because it's across the street from a shopping center, I mean, that's only going to be like 20 to 30,000 value difference. So, I mean, I think at this listing price that they're at $429 is a fairly good price. I feel that looking at all these other ones going for $440 down to $405, there's ones that the one that sold for the least is $360 and it needed a lot of work. But everything else is going up in price. I mean, $385. So the $429, I feel it's right there just due to the condition of the property. But as far as them not having any offers, works in a buyer's favor, which means we could be aggressive when we write our offer. So just wanted to show you guys what I see as far as the values when we're looking at putting an offer in on this Olivera property. Okay, call me if you guys have any questions, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.